Alright, we're pulling up on the Autobahn right now. Gonna cross off another golf course.
And then we're trying to be fast. We want to reach at least 200 kilometers per hour.
Club's in the back, you can see them. About to get on the Autobahn. On and out. Holy crap, that car's falling in there.
Now I have to focus on driving.
Yes, yeah.
120 miles per hour. Go away! We want to reach that 200 kilometers per hour mark. It's 190. Oh
my god. On our way to a tea time. Yeah, no, never went that fast. I have a Kia.
Let's try to do 220.
Okay.
But it always depends on traffic. $2.15 and come on, go. 220.
Woohoo! My god, club's in the back.
225. But now I have to brake.
Yes. Yeah. Holy shit.
And we're
that
restricted
was awesome.
to, oh no, we're not. It's only when the streets are wet.
My god.
So 100 miles per hour after you drove that fast feels like nothing.
We're still flying past cars.
And now we can go faster again.
Okay.
But there's a truck. Move!
It's a dump truck or something like that. We were booking
not for a German.
Yeah. Whoa.
Just imagine you're driving like 230, what we just did, and then a Mercedes, a BMW, Audi, or whatsoever just flies by doing 300. And 300, that's almost 200 miles per hour.
Holy smokes. We were booking.
The fastest I've ever been in a car was 330.
Whoa. What was it?
That's 205 miles per hour. And the fastest I've ever been on a motorcycle was 280. And then I was scared because I was sitting on the passenger seat on the motorcycle doing 280.
That's too much.
And I told the driver to slow down. And trust me, 280 on a motorcycle feels totally different than doing 280 in a car.